biomass can come in all shapes and sizes, meaning all shapes and sizes would be converted in this industry to all different types of cannabinoids, right? So if the biomass is high in CBN, right, then you're going to be extracting for high potency CBN distillate, and you're going to be isolating for high potency CBN isolate. So distillate can be in CBD, it can be in CBG, it can be in Delta 8, it could be in Delta 9, it can be in all of the different cannabinoids, and it depends upon the starting material that you're using. And it could actually get even cooler when we start talking about the conversions from a high potency CBD biomass to a CBD isolate, and people are doing these things. And so I just wanted to make sure that everybody's on the same page when it comes to distillate being able to be CBG, CBN, CBD, CBC, because there's all different types of distillate that can be converted and isolated over